Hello guys, Simply AlRitch here. Welcome back again to my channel. In this video, we will find out if we can edit a reel after it has been posted. Is it a yes or is it a no? Let's go to our Instagram account and then, so this is my Instagram. I'm going to click this profile picture at the bottom. And then, so this is my Instagram. It's Simply AlRitch. I'm going to select this one. Okay, just click this three small dots and then click the edit. So you can edit this one. So I tested earlier. As you can see, there is a test edit here. Okay, I'm going to delete that one and replace it with Happy Sunday because it's Sunday today. Okay, I'm going to click on the check icon, so it means it has been updated or saved. Okay, let's try to see if it has been updated. As you can see, there is Happy Sunday. So you can edit a reel if you're uploading it from your Instagram. Okay, you can also edit the thumbnail image. Just click on that one. So as you can see at the top right section, it's still loading. It may take a bit time. And then you can also tag people. You can add a location, or if you have a partnership label, and so on and so forth. So we are not just going to edit the image because it takes a bit time, but as you can see, we can edit our reel after it has been posted using our Instagram account, or if you're uploading from your Instagram. How about like if we want to add a new reel? Okay, and then I am going to post it to my Facebook page. Okay, that one. Okay, I'm going to select next and test, and then I am going to share that automatically to my Facebook page, Simply AlRitch, turn on for all reels, for this reel only. So, okay, I'm going to add a caption, sinigang so yummy, perfect for, so yummy, perfect for the cold weather. Okay, so that is my, so this will automatically publish to my Facebook page, Simply AlRitch, because I enabled it in share to Instagram. So we have that one, and then click on share. Yeah, flowers by Myra Cyrus. So it's still uploading the reels, and we will try to check if it has been published automatically to Facebook, and we will try to edit also, like for example, you edit the caption in Instagram, and if it will show in your Facebook page. So as you can see here, oh no, not that one. Okay, so this is my real Simply Alish sinigang so yummy, perfect for the cold weather. And then let's try to check that here in my Facebook page. Okay, if it shows here. Okay, I'm just going to okay, as you can see, your reel is ready to go. Okay. This my name in my Facebook page is also Simply Alish. As you can see here, Sinigang Suyami Perfect. Okay, there's a star icon there. Okay, if you like my video, you can also send stars. Okay, let's try to edit that here. Okay, edit the caption. Click the three small dots, and then let's try to edit here. Test edit. Test edit. So there is a additional test edit. Okay, so now as you can see in Instagram, it has been updated, the caption. But if you go to your Facebook page, let's try to see if it will edit that reel. Okay, okay, the caption. As you can see, didn't edit the caption. If you click the three small dots here on in your Facebook page, we cannot see an edit button. So it appears like we can't edit a reel that has been posted to our Facebook page. So I'm just going to delete this one because like this is only a test. Okay. Okay, now how about I'm going to try uploading a reel from my own uh Facebook account. So this is my Facebook account, Alma Richel Merin. You can also follow my reel here. Okay, I'm going to upload that one. Okay, sorry, it's now like 6 minutes. Okay, where's it? So sinigang. Tayo sa sinigang. This one. So I'm just going to add a caption, guys, because like um this will help for your video to be found. Pagkaing Pinoy, sinigang na hipon, okay? It's best if you can add a this tags to increase the visibility of your reels. Okay, reels FB. So if it's best if you like choose the appropriate tag for your video. So this one I'm just going to add this tags here. The like this are the default videos reels tags, I'm sorry. Foodie, because I'm a foodie, I'm a food lover, food gasm. Okay, that's what I add to my food reels. Food porn, food blogger. What else? Sinigang ni hipon. Eh, that's okay. Sinigang perfect. Okay, click on the share now. Okay, let's try to see if we can edit a reel. So earlier when we made a reel, automatically publish it to my Facebook page, simply AlRitch. We can edit it from Instagram but not on my Facebook page. Okay, now I'm testing it from my own profile. Uh, okay, click on this one. So we can only see the edit privacy. So unfortunately guys, we cannot edit. Sorry, we cannot edit the reel after it has been posted. So we really need to be sure with our title, or we will need to repost or upload it again in case you don't like the title, the caption, or the editing or something. Yeah, but it's like if it has a lot of views already, so uh, you have to deal with it. So that's it, guys. I hope this answers your question. We can edit a reel after it has been posted if you are using Instagram, but if you are using your Facebook profile or your Facebook page, unfortunately, that feature is not yet available. I hope Facebook will implement that because it's really helpful for us. Content creators, because sometimes we screw up on the title or we made a mistake. So that's it, guys. I hope you learned something today, and thank you so much for watching. Bye.